The year is 2026. Look at the calendar. We were wrong to expect silence. We were wrong to expect wisdom. 2026 is the year of the fire horse. Sign, which comes once every 60 years. The sign of rebels. The sign of fires. The sign that knows no pity. Vanga, the blind ruler, she feared this year more than war. In her prophecies, the year 26 was recorded as the year of wild trampling. It will tremble, she said. Not from earthquakes, but from the hooves of a red horse, which rushes indiscriminately. In the archives of Krasimira Stoyanova there is a frightening entry. Vanga sits by the window, listens to the wind and whispers, "The fiery horse will come, he doesn't recognize his masters. He will throw off all the squatters. Kings will fall into the dirt, the rich will fall into the dirt. Only he will remain, who stands on his own feet on the ground." What does this mean? The fire horse is an element of uncontrollable force. In the 26th, any government based on force or deception will collapse this year. Vanga saw it. Glass palaces of the West will shake. Those who thought they held the waters of the world in their hands will realize that they are cut off from the water. This is the year of global disobedience. People will stop listening to their rulers, soldiers will stop listening to their generals, children will stop listening fathers. The world will rise up in revolt, Vanga prophesied. And no one will be able to calm it down until the horse gets tired. The second prophecy concerns fire. The 26th year is the year of the red flame. "I see smoke," Vanga said. "Smoke obscures the sun. It's not the forest that's burning, it's the lies." Mystics interpret this as purification by fire. In the 26th year, everything dry will burn away. Dead laws, dead money, dead relationships. If your business, your family, or your faith are built on lies by the 26th year, it will turn to ashes. Only living wood will not be instantly touched by fire, Vanga said. That is, only what is real will survive. But beware, summer of 26. In July, the heat will drive people crazy. The water will boil in the rivers. People will seek shade, but there will be no shadow. Perhaps we are in for climate anomalies, unprecedented drought in the economy, when the usual resources. And what about Russia? Vanga always saw Russia in special colors. In the year of the fire horse, she saw our country like a rider without fear. Only Ivan will not be afraid to approach a wild horse, she said. Everyone will run away, hide in their holes, and Russia will reach out and give the horse bread. It's a metaphor. While the whole world is engulfed in chaos and revolutions, Russia will find a way to negotiate with the elements. Vanga predicted. In the year of the horse, Russia will gallop forward so quickly that the wind will whistle in your ears. Whoever doesn't manage to jump will be left in the last century. This is the year of the leap, the year of acceleration. But this leap will be dangerous. Only the strong-willed will be able to stay in the saddle at such speed. There is also a personal warning for each of us. The fire horse does not tolerate laziness or cowardice. Vanga left 3 strict prohibitions for the 26th year. The first prohibition, don't look back. A horse runs only forward. It has blinkers on its eyes. In 1926, you can't live in the past, you can't regret what you've lost. Anyone who looks back will fall under the hoof, Vanga warned. If you've lost your job, money, friends, don't cry. Build something new right away, on the same day. The second prohibition. Don't pull the reins. Don't try to control what is beyond your control. In 26, plans will fall apart, schedules will go to hell. Be like the wind in Maine, Vanga taught. Wherever the horse goes, there you go. Trust the flow. Fate itself will carry you where you need to go. Resistance useless and deadly. The third prohibition, don't stand in the way. Vanga saw crowds of people trying block the road of history with posters and shouts. They will be crushed, she said sadly. Fools think they can stop an avalanche. In 26, don't get into a fight. If you're not sure of victory, don't argue with the crowd. Don't try to stop angry people. Step aside. Wait until the herd passes. May 1926. The month when the horse will be especially wild. Vanga said, in May the earth hums, the sky red. Watch your heads. There may be outbursts of aggression and sudden conflicts. Advice from Vanga Nanomycete: keep quiet, work, be silent. Let the thunder not roar over your roof. So, 2026 is the year of the fire horse. The year that will tear down the old fence and release the world into the open field. It will be scary, right? It will be. Is it hot? Yes. But Vanga said, after a fire, the grass grows thicker. This year will burn out the disease that is ailing you. Humanity, the disease of greed and hypocrisy. We will emerge from this fire tanned, thin, but alive. And let's gallop into the future. Just stay in the saddle and don't be afraid of the speed. The rider is already here. Can you hear the clatter?